Hi, welcome to Blessed Brown Kitchen. So I have a nice dish I'm going to share with you. Sweet potato dumpling with saltfish. So I have a lovely sweet potato right here. I'm going to peel it and grate it to make the dumpling. This is my saltfish. I've already soaked the saltfish to get out some of the salt from it. You can soak your saltfish overnight. So when you soak your saltfish overnight, you can cook it one time. But when you don't soak it overnight, you have to cook 2 times to get rid of this heap of salt. You know, health comes first. This is what I'm going to cook down the saltfish with. I have 2 tomatoes, scratch onion pepper, onion, scallion, bell pepper, thyme, and little pimento seed. So I'm going to use some paprika inside of it. Like a tip of salt for the saltfish, but you know, dumpling need little salt also. All-purpose season, our garlic powder, and our black pepper. So I have a small little peace leaf. And this dumpling is very nice and healthy. Because remember, you know, sweet potato is very healthy for your body, you know. And you have to eat about 4 pounds of sweet potato to put on to gain a pound of weight. So this dumpling don't put on any weight on you, and it's very healthy for you. Because sweet potato is one of our health food. Yes. So when you use it, make the dumpling. Yes, I'm going to scrape off the sweet potato. I'm going to use a cup and a half of flour, half teaspoon of salt, I want to mix the sweet potato and the flour right up before we start throwing the water on it to make our dumpling. Make sure you mix out the sweet potato and the flour. Yes. It looks nice and nice. Look at it. Look at it. Wow. Look how it look. It look like caramel dumpling. You have the color of caramel dumpling, but it's not caramel dumpling, sweet potato dumpling. So we have 2 pots on. I'm going to cook 2 pots one time. I want to come out the kitchen. I don't want to stay in the kitchen now. Quick and fast out the kitchen. So we have the one over here is for the saltfish. And this one is for the dumpling. So we're going to get in a small amount of salt. We're going to start putting our dumplings. Sweet and delicious dumpling. Look on the dumpling. If you see dumpling, you know say it's sweet. Look on it. Can you imagine when you cook down this saltfish gravy and dip your dumpling inside of the saltfish gravy? Who love when food nice and delicious and sweet? I love sweet food. Saltfish gravy. So I'm going to make the dumpling cook about 5 minutes more. Then I remove it, and then I have just the saltfish to deal with. So the dumpling gets its 5 minutes and finish cook. So I'm going to remove the dumpling pot and I'm going to put over the saltfish, move closer that you can exactly see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to give it about 10 more minutes to boil, and then I'm going to wash it and clean it up, and then come back and cook it down and show you how I'm going to put down my saltfish into the tomato and the bell pepper and whatever season I'm going to use. Fish sit here, finish wash and clean up. So when I cook my saltfish, I love to rinse it up before, get a small amount of oil. That's when you put oil. Let's turn on the stove. So we're going to allow the seasoning to cook before getting the saltfish. So we're going to stir up our seasoning. When you allow your seasoning to cook out, till the onion and the bell pepper is cook soft, you have a nicer eating saltfish and juicy and nice. So with the saltfish go inside it, that flavor from the season already cooked, so it's probably just So I'm going to put in a small amount of black pepper, some garlic powder, our purple season, to get a small amount of paprika. I'm going to just put in a small amount of ketchup. Sometimes the tomato will give the flavor out you need, so you have to use like a ketchup. Not all the time, but some of the time. We're going to get in the saltfish. We're going to allow it to steam for 2 minutes. So we're going to take a look at our saltfish. So juicy and nice. So all my subscribers, thank you to subscribe to my channel, and if you don't subscribe to my channel as yet, ask you to subscribe, and God bless you. Thank you. Bye.